Hello, my beautiful ladies. This exercise is all about the breath. We're really going to focus on breathing and expanding our chest, our abdominal wall. So when you're breathing in, you expand all of this area. And when you breathe out, your diaphragm goes up and you want to bring everything back in towards the spine. Breathe in. Breathe out. Contract. Breathe in and breathe out. So that's going to be pretty much the momentum that we're going to be going to with a song that is perfect for deep breath. So this is just to kind of get back into your breathing. And if you have a stressful or you're in a stressful situation or you're just feeling stressed and you just want to let go and just relax for a minute and change your state of mind, breathing, deep breathing like this is one of the best things you could do for yourself. It's really, really helpful. So you could do this exercise anytime. You could do it several times. And let's get to it. So we're going to breathe with the melody. Get ready? Breathe. Breathe out. Breathe in. 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 Breathe out. That felt so good. I hope it felt good for you too. I know it did. Deep breath ins are in. So keep going. It's so wonderful. So hopefully you're going to be more relaxed now and start your day or start your afternoon or even go to bed. Okay. Bye-bye.